The desert air is buzzing long before the gates even open. This year's Dubai Airshow feels bigger, faster, and louder than ever. As you step onto the tarmac, the heat shimmers around rows of next-generation aircraft, sleek fighters, futuristic drones, and commercial jets showing off tech that feels a few years ahead of its time. Engineers speak in hushed excitement about sustainable aviation breakthroughs, hydrogen concepts, and AI-powered flight systems that promise a different future for flying. Then the sky erupts. The UAE's Al Farsan team paints arcs of red, white and green overhead while a new generation fighter slices through the air with an engine. Roar that seems to shake the ground. Crowds point their phones toward autonomous swarms of drones, performing formations, previously only possible for human pilots. Inside the exhibition halls, deals are being whispered into handshakes, massive airline orders, defense partnerships, space tech collaborations. You catch glimpses of robotic maintenance systems, urban air mobility prototypes, and virtual cockpits that let you fly without leaving the floor. By the end of the day, your ears are ringing, your camera roll is full, and your mind is racing. The Dubai Airshow 2025 feels less like a showcase and more like a preview of the skies we'll be living in sooner than anyone expects.